Subject pronouns in English. What is a subject pronoun or a personal pronoun? A subject pronoun or un pronome personale soggetto is the who part of a sentence, the person or thing doing the action. Subject pronouns take the place of nouns and proper nouns. Okay, so for example, if the noun or the person in this case is Lucy, the pronoun would be she. So she is going to be replacing Lucy in the sentence. So for example, I run home. What's the subject pronoun? I. You have a book. Subject pronoun? You. And he is a boy. Subject pronoun is he because he's doing the action. Okay. How are subject pronouns categorized? So we can refer to the subject or speaker in terms of 3 different levels. We have the first, second, and third. And we have 2 categories, singular and plural. So in the singular, we have first person, which is the from the perspective of the first person point of view, which is the I. I do this or I do that. Second person point of view is you. And third person is he, she, or it. In the plural, first person would be we, okay, because we is the plural of I and somebody else. Second person, we have you. In this case, it's plural because in English, there is nothing to distinguish between singular and plural when you say you, or sometimes I guess in the South, you would say y'all. So second person, singular is you and plural is you. And then third person would be they. Okay, that's the plural of he, she, or it. And note that there is no it or neuter form in Italian. Okay, everything is masculine or feminine. So not like in English or in German where we have those neuter nouns. Everything is either masculine or feminine. Okay, subject pronouns in Italian. What are the subject pronouns in Italian? So we just covered first, second, and third person. So in the singular, we have io. Io means I. Tu means you in the informal. Lui means he. Lei means she. And we also have lei meaning you in the formal singular. Okay, so I will talk a little bit more about this in a bit, but there's some ways to tell if you're talking about lei versus lei, but when you're speaking, they are pronounced exactly the same. In the plural, we have noi, meaning we, voi, meaning you, all, you plural, loro, meaning they, and we also have loro in the formal plural. Okay, you could tell because it's capitalized, just like over here. Okay, but voi is usually used instead of loro in everyday speaking. So you're not really going to be using loro unless you're in the formal, unless you're studying this for business purposes or, in like university or something like that, where you have to write a lot of formal language. Okay, so in everyday language, you're basically going to be using voi for the plural you.